Welcome to another episode of Meshdin Anime, guys.
Episode.
As you can see, the studio is already polluted. There's studio pollution going on here. What is
Team.
this? No, but what is this?
It's the best team.
Okay, so it's fine.
Currently the best team.
It's fine.
South Africa.
They are claiming that it's currently the best
Okay,
team.
enough.
Yeah, so send
Yeah.
them to man.
We are abused,
Hey,
man.
hey.
We're gonna put it safe, guys.
You let tell her, cause
Oh, come on, now what? Now what I'm
guys,
guys,
guys, forgive us if the
Balls
quality
are
is bad.
killed.
It's that flag, man. I'm sure it's causing some errors here. So it's that flag. One's supposed to be there, but
mind those are over face.
oh, so we're apart. Okay. Okay.
The Umbrella FC.
Ngokwina nje yana thini yapha?
Okusala ngine-game in hand and ngikuphi? Ngihleliphi? Ngihleliphi?
Right.
Ngifana nale khandle. I-Chiefs nayla. Yayibona?
Hey, okay. That joke. Baba here I see understand.
Okusalayo.
I see understand.
Okusalayo. Okusalayo.
Okay, guys.
Mhlawumbe sebhayibhilini.
Agent business of the day. Bafana, we have upcoming games in October.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
we've been deducted 3 points due to the incident here.
Me, I'm confident we're going to.
No, but let's talk about the incident. Let's talk about the incident because now it's something that shouldn't even happen.
The blame is on the technical team, coach, and everyone besides the player.
But who is employed to do that job? Because
I think it's the staff.
I don't think it's the coach. Because I think as like a professional team, as a nation,
Yeah,
like
there's someone who hangs.
there's imagine there's a bus driver, there's a kit man, there's a goalkeeper coach, there's a warm up coach. I'm not sure about that, but
Yeah.
there are different types of sections and departments. Buddha, who do you think this responsibility was? Whose job was it to ensure that people are aware that this guy is suspended? Not even like Bears was suspended, that this guy was
If
suspended.
you ask the fans, we didn't know.
Yeah, it's not our job to know.
Yeah.
I'm asking
No, but
who?
I think it is a color from a coach. It
How
start
so?
from a coach.
Also,
Just like as who coach, if I name a player, ngithi I want Umkwena. I can name Umkwena, but they will tell me hey, Umkwena in injury.
who's the
Like technical team yam.
Sundowns.
Yeah.
Speak to technical team yam. That's why ungabheka. A coach always every time I mention squad side, mention ama players are injury free. Uzozwa bethu ne injury after like when they are doing the what do you call this? The training, that during the training so and so got injured.
Yeah.
But he always picks quality and fit players. So that
Yes.
means before he even goes live and mention and start picking up his squad side, uyenza like a background check. They do a background check. Yena ne technical team yakhe.
No, but you're not answering my question.
Mamela.
Yeah.
Mamela.
Yeah.
So my point here is they did a background check ne technical team yakhe
Yeah.
yonke. And they couldn't.
No, but you're not being specific.
So-
There's an individual responsible.
No,
The individual-
uh-uh.
I think
Still,
I
even if there is an individual,
Yes.
it will always go to a coach.
no, Mina, I
Mhm.
think
It will
the-
always go to a coach. Nah,
I need
True.
since it's a professional team.
Yeah.
Like I think there is a team that collects data. Ne?
Yes.
the players.
Yes.
So I think it's that group.
Say
So
no.
it's the data group.
It can't be the
No.
coach.
They were supposed
No.
to
Can't be
like,
the coach.
coach,
No.
remember Umkwena has a
Yes.
card.
It can't be
Because
the
you
coach.
can't blame Umkwena. Bafana played many games before after the qualifiers, before and
Yes.
after.
Yeah.
So it's kind of hard to keep track. Even a coach, you can say
I want you.
can
I want,
lose
I,
it
I want
'cause
you
it's
to. Think,
hard.
I want you to think of something. For the fact that someone else from outside the organization picked it up,
Yeah,
there is no excuse.
yeah.
How it usually let me just fill out this. You know how it usually happens.
Yeah.
The coaches get a list of players that are available on that selection. So on that list, someone who compiled that list should have specified that Mukwena is not available. So what happens is the coach gets that list and the coach makes the selection based on that list. So that person who made that selection, that collected that data, is the one that is responsible for selecting Mokwena. Because obviously, if the coach saw that Mukwena is not available, then he wasn't gonna pick him up.
So it is the
I,
data
I,
thing.
I will tend to disagree on that one.
Why? That was perfect. Like, how
There's
do
no
you
other explanation that you need. There's
No,
not
you
perfect
guys are
explanation.
leaving out the main culprit.
Who?
If you are saying the
Co-
data team didn't
co-
mention a yellow card, right?
Yes.
Then how did Lesotho come to know of it?
Yes, because they did
after
their
the
research.
investigation? Yeah,
Hence,
they
I'm
did
saying
their
there's
research.
there's
So
someone
okay, when
responsible.
you say they did their research, what do you mean? Like
They know they should know
so
this guy. This like this guy got
how?
this guy got a yellow
How?
card. Mos. Why is he still here?
How?
After watching
They
the games, they watched
remember,
the games.
remember, these guys
Yeah,
analyzed. Remember, they
do
analyzed. They
do-
analyzed.
yeah,
Did
They
you actually
analyzed.
see the gap between Mkwene's yellow cards?
Yeah,
Did you see gap here?
but
So
when
who
you
would
go
So
to the
are you trying to
pictures,
say Lesotho actually went on a single player like
look,
analyze this one,
no,
analyze this one,
Smuda,
analyze this one?
image my pela on the match stats. There are law information. The information is there. Yellow cards, which player was subbed in during the match, shots on target, and everything. That thing, it's always there.
So
So if Mukwena got a yellow card, it will be written there, Mukwena yellow card. So I'm sure Lesotho went there and tried to check, okay, how many games have Bafana played. After checking the games, they went to final results. They see it, okay, this player got a yellow card,
No,
this player.
okay,
That's why a long process.
why specifically
No,
Mkwene's?
Because
let me.
not why Umkwena. Obviously, if he's the one that got a yellow card, on
Yeah,
two games,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
easy to pick because his name is written there.
Besides
Yeah.
that, Joe, the shorter version of this, each and every football club has an analyst, right?
Yeah,
So
you analyze.
before you play a team, you take your opponent, right? You analyze previous games. You understand what I'm talking about? So if for example on club level, if I'm going to play Stellenbosch, right? I'm going to check Stellenbosch last 5 games.
Yeah.
The consistent part. What has how have they been playing?
And you check
What is the
loopholes.
danger zone? So
Mhm.
during that analysis, you put different things into play, right? You can see, okay, this guy, if you can put pressure on you, always commits fouls. That's analysis. You can see, okay, Bafana Bafana's right hand side is weaker than the left hand side. So if you can attack this side, you can breach through this side. Things like that.
Yeah.
So during this analysis, during this period, obviously they saw no
You can remember, no man.
past 5
Umkwena.
games.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2019 they play against, for example, Zimbabwe or Rwanda, whoever they play, they see, okay, against this guy, they won't train him. Okay, I'm gonna get a yellow card, so which means his chances are he's gonna get cards
Another
more and more
card,
often. But as they go with the matches, they see, okay, he got a yellow card again here. Then got another one also here.
remember,
and
these
it's
people, they
concurrent.
sit down.
Yeah, and it's concurrent games. So, okay, he got it here and here. So which means, and doesn't the rule say this? Oh, okay, let's go back. Then they go back, they check the rules.
And it's possible that they
So-
allowed
so-
him to play
so
so that
in-
Bele they can
Exactly.
get
So
those
they
points.
check the rules.
In-
Okay, if the rules say you're not allowed to get 2 yellow cards in a row or 3 yellow cards or 5 in a row, then you must be suspended. But if this was the case, then how come we're gonna play against us? You understand?
Yeah.
But us on the other hand, we didn't do that due diligence.
And
We didn't.
honestly, Mina, as a coach,
So-
Nami, I
so
wasn't gonna let
we
it.
didn't.
I wasn't gonna let
We
them
didn't.
stop when I'm playing. I was gonna allow it so that I
Yeah.
take that
So
3 points.
so bro, like
So somehow it will go to the coach as well.
no.
Don't forget
It's
the
an
coach
yeah.
has the final say.
No, remember you can charge the coach in terms of
taking the responsibility.
yeah, 'cause that person
but
is
the
under you.
fault charge.
Yes.
the guy who made the mistake is under you, even though you didn't make the mistake directly, but it's someone in your team.
Okay, fine. You
That-
can say that,
that-
but
It's this thing is like being a manager at work too.
yes.
In a manager, you are responsible for how the company performs,
Yeah.
right? But
if-
even though you are not responsible for the mess that the workers made, but for that those workers are under you, which means the owners and they're gonna see you as responsible because you are the manager. You are supposed to manage.
Yes.
So in this case, you are okay to put blame on Hugo Bruce in that manner. He's the manager. He's supposed to be the head of operations. So which means the people that in his team, he trusts them. So if he's trusting the wrong person, obviously he's responsible, even though he's not responsible.
I can trust you, but
Yes.
as long as I'm the one who has the final say, you don't have power
It's-
over me.
You know, it's not about the final say, it's
I
about you
understand.
trusting me that
Yeah.
the decision that I made is the correct one.
So
it's like a scout. It's like a scout.
exactly. So that means somehow it will come to me.
Yes, as I said, as the head.
That's
as
why
big head.
That's
so
why
I have the right
That's
to
why
blame the coach.
I went on
Yeah,
TV and
I have
took
the right to
blame.
blame the
Yeah,
coach.
but as
That's
the
why
head,
you took
didn't do a background check.
Okay, here's another scenario, right? Kaizer Chiefs, we think we scouted Ukambo. Whoever came with the idea, okay, I saw this other kid playing from where he's a good kid. Let's go
Yes.
sign this kid,
Yes.
right? Because you are the head of
They
scouts.
know good, okay, Freeman is
trust.
good with that.
Yeah, we
so
trust that our scouting team can do the right thing.
Yes.
So which means we have faith in you.
Yes.
So we go sign that player based on your analysis, based on your
Yes.
recommendation.
but what will the
Mhm.
fans say?
So obviously, I wouldn't hire you if I was gonna go there and scout myself.
No, listen.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if
Mamela,
Hugo Bruce
Mamela Gehi.
wouldn't do research, if he hired someone to do the research.
Okay.
So hired as a scout.
Yes.
You found a player, you brought him, escort him. We do a training. I see that player is not good. I have the power to say I'm not gonna play you.
Yeah, but by the time the player trains, it's already too late.
No, you can sign, but still.
Yeah,
the
but the
matter
money
of
is gone.
playing,
Yes.
that's not an issue.
In the issue,
That's not an issue.
it is. In
That's not an
the
issue.
issue of Umukwena, right? The money was gone, which means Umukwena begasadlali. He had already played.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
He had
but
already played.
you had time.
We are missing the whole point.
So mamela ukuthi point yami kahle
Yes.
kahle ngizoyibeka kanjani.
Yeah,
I think uBrose sekane squad sakhe yena asiphika
in his head.
in
Like,
his head
Yeah,
like akasayenzi ne
So the team
background check.
yakhe ayithembile ukuthi
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
if I pick these people, I'm
Yeah.
sure ama-results amazoba kanje nakanje.
Exactly, because as a coach now, you could have like picked that player
Yes.
esquading, yes.
Mhm.
Then I discover later wangasamfake ground.
Yena i-finalize vele asafika ukuthi
Yeah,
ngiyambona
because
play wena.
picking a player is different from fielding a player.
Okay,
you
let's
can pick.
let's
Actually,
like,
point here.
Dude, I have a question for you.
Sure.
So if a coach gets a list and that list says Mukwena is available, you think the coach has to go back and do the research again to check if all those players are available?
That's the whole point of a coach. You have to do
No,
that.
the coach
But
can't.
they did
no,
the research for
you have to do
That's
that.
the point.
that's why
They did the
that's,
research.
that's why they have a
have
tactical
to
team.
do that.
That's why they have a
You
tactical
have to
team.
do that.
You have to do what?
To do it.
You already got a list. saying
Yes.
This player is available for
Yes.
this game. This player is available for this game.
Mhm.
Your job is to link up players. and
Your
make them
job
play.
is to pick your players based on that list. So
Yes.
obviously, if that list says
But
Mukwena is
do
not
you think
available,
do you think Hugo Bros picks based on the list or based on the
so do you think?
everything?
So according to you, Hugo Bruce list said Mukwena is not available, and he continued picking it.
No, Mamel. Umkwen, my friend, as the squad, like the national team squad,
Yes.
we have to do a thorough background check. Bruce could have said, Buffett, let's do a second checkup on these players.
Yeah,
So you see, you are
Those
watching
people
mistake.
have been doing
are
the research
we are
for
watching
now. Why
mistake
do you
back.
have to question them now?
Exactly. Bheka manje ukuthi bafake kuphi. Into yokuthi I trust ama-players. I trust
He's taking a decision based on the information that he's given
Actually,
by people that were hired to do a certain job.
Yes.
So which means if Hugo Bruce took information from people that he hired to do a certain job.
kodwa kumkwena, you can't go to Mkwena and say, Mkwena, do you think you can play? The guy is fit, is everything is good, he's having a
Yes,
good season.
Exactly.
You can't go and check and be like, Mkwena,
Like
on a yellow card or not. Even if Anayo, because
basically,
based on how many games he played before playing World Cup qualifiers, he can't even remember because he played more than 13 games after. He played the AFCON and came back and play again for our friendlies, none.
the issue is
ngikubisele back kancane futhi mina ngiyathanda ukubisela abantu emuva.
this man.
Remember when
Yeah.
the Chiefs was going to play ICAF
Yeah, when
Chiefs.
2019. Okay,
2019.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was 2019. Oh,
still one of the greatest seasons in CAF. In
yes.
SA, by the way.
What do you call these guys? Oh, Ongobo, Nabo Mashian.
Yeah.
They didn't have a passport.
Okay,
They had to do it in the last minute.
sure.
The last minute, like they qualified. After then they discovered that these guys they didn't have a passport. They had to do a emergency ones.
Okay,
Ukuthi bafike.
yeah.
But when he pointed ngokuthi Chiefs was supposed to know a long time ago ukuthi abana passport.
There's a team that is supposed to do that.
Exactly.
No.
To
And the
make sure
professional
that
team,
player won't
Yes.
get unentered
But
right.
they
Yes.
discovered that last minute.
Yeah. The fault here, but that's why they fixed it last minute.
If fault covered,
Technical.
so that means last minute they did the background check.
What do you mean?
Last
Obvious.
minute they had to
They
change.
can't go. They can't go without passports.
Exactly.
Obviously, they had to go and
So
register
now
everything
before he
to
play,
sign up for it
before
and everything.
coach picky. Okay, you need to coach I see fault picky.
If it's
But
fixable, they
before,
fix it.
Okay,
before
okay,
you have to check.
okay, in that situation, which they didn't have passports and all those
They
things.
will travel.
So are you telling me right now when you're gonna blame Bobby? It was his because remember, let's just say he's the owner. He's the owner. You're gonna blame him that those players. Exactly. Who are you gonna blame in that situation?
So blame look.
You can't blame no coach.
Yeah. Who? Wait.
my
So let him
man,
answer.
my
Who are
man.
you gonna
On that
blame?
one, it's
Give us.
blame Iona equals.
Who is the cause? Be specific.
Okay, so blame Bobby straight.
Why Bobby? Why
So-
why not? Why not?
Bobby is
Why
just
not
the-
one?
The team that is in charge
Of
like
what?
international relations or something.
No, no.
Yeah, i-department abantu abadila ngayo le nto i-department leyo.
No.
They're the ones that take care of that.
Being the same thing over and over again.
No, nina inkinga le estrita umuntu omele abe uyoshaya. Like
But in
Ntana, bona, as a coach, the reason why ama-coaches ama-baphi prefer ukuhamba nama-technical team wabo is because bayazi ukuthi okay, if I'm with
Yes.
this guy, I believe that
Yes.
this guy will do
Uzongishaya
everything.
isibhalo.
yes.
If ngiyacava ukuthi okay, this guy will scout for me, I don't have to question him. Are you sure this player is good?
Exactly.
I'm just gonna come, observe the player, put him on. That's why and those coaches are the expensive coaches. Banama technical team wabo. They don't. Lapho ke, you can't expect me to be a coach ngihambe ngiyo-check player if the player is eaten,
Okay,
if the player got
fine.
paid, if the player is healthy,
The diet
if
of the players.
the
there's-
diet,
there's
if the
people
player
for
is
that.
fit.
There's
I can't
people
coach
for-
goalkeeper, I can't coach striker, coach midfielder at the same time. Those people kunama departments. I can't
Yeah.
check ukuthi untwana isponsor sakhe came with a Nike, ama-grip wakhe ayabambi.
Yes.
I can't check all of that. There is a team that checks that. That's why there's a
I-team yakhona i-appointwa ubani?
appointwa team.
Which raises the question.
Uthe ucoach
Yeah.
ubani?
That's why I hamba ne-technical team.
Exactly.
Buddha.
So if
So
i-technical
that-
team
yeah.
ingayenza i-mistake, who?
The co-
Which
okay,
raises a
okay,
very
the
big
coach
question.
gets the blame. Ne?
Exactly.
They can,
Exactly.
we can blame them.
Mm,
Yeah.
That's why Hugo Bruce came and apologized and said he takes the blame. But you can't.
It's his
But
fault.
no, according
It's
to
his
everything,
fault.
you can't put everything on him.
Which raises questions.
His fault.
Whoever failed to do their jobs.
Yeah, yeah.
Did
No,
that
she's
guy-
like that person.
Wait,
No.
did that guy Buddha, listen, did that guy come with Hugo Bruce? Or that guy is under Safa?
Yeah.
No.
Because if you can check, Helmin Makelele is not Hugo Bruce's technical. It didn't come with Hugo Bruce.
But
Came with Safa. So-
so, do you think it's Safa or he was picked by Hugo Bruce?
Yeah, but it's Arafat Nona, because these are guys that he has been with for years.
Yes.
It's guys. It's someone that he came here to Mzansi and it's like, okay, that guy has experience. I can work with this guy.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Or if it's Safa, I'm guy is okay. There's this guy. Who do you think you can work better with? And then he chose Helmin Makelele. You don't know the process of that, right?
Yes.
So the question that is being raised is, whoever made that mistake, was it someone who Hugo Bruce came with, or was it someone who was already employed
Appointed,
by
yeah.
Safa and Hugo Bruce came Akon? Then that person now falls under Hugo Bruce obviously because he's the head
Because
coach.
at the end
So
of the
you
day,
understand?
It was obvious it was umuntu ka Hugo Bruce.
At the
But we
end
don't
of the
know.
day,
We don't know.
We
We
cannot-
We cannot sugarcoat it.
Smuda,
We
at the
cannot
end,
sugarcoat
the
it.
main thing is at the end of the day, if a team
Yes.
flopper, you're gonna blame the coach. Because now we're gonna take it back to Portugal. When the team Portugal lost against Morocco, we didn't blame Ramos for not scoring.
We blame the
We
coach for
blame
playing
the
around.
coach for playing Ramos.
Yes.
Ama decision one we coach, but coach ufake a player based on a trust yakhe.
Yes.
So that's what I'm saying. Hugo Bruce, even though that error iyenzekile, but it's not his fault ukuthi iyenzekile. He's gonna take the biggest
Okay,
error.
let's move.
I disagree. I think.
Okay, we'll disagree the whole day, but
Comments azokusiza.
yes,
Bafethu, nimcontact
yes,
ubuda
yes.
personal nidile naye. Lento kuba umlathuthi is getting over his
Nidile
head.
Yila mthwalo, man.
Nidile nami, it's fine. Come to me.
Okay, another thing, Bafethu. Since we were still in Bafana Bafana,
Yeah.
PSL.
Coming back to that.
When you were coming back, we're still here.
Mm.
In Paris, show since they lost those 2 games, they've been on a winning streak.
Ola
No loss.
Hey. Ola Madrid. What? Ola Madrid. Orlando Madrid. You're losing it. It's the Madrid of South Africa. Guys. Come on. Pirates is playing like Madrid. There's only one team that can stop us right now is PSG.
Those jokes only work Magui course, my friend.
Madrid is still
Yeah, but-
Atletico.
Uyayilahla, man.
And that
Uyayilahla,
Pe- pe- pe-
uyayilahla. Uzohamba la. Uzohamba la.
Back to the main
Uzohamba la.
question. Back to the main question, my friend.
Uzohamba.
Let's not lose the plot.
Uzohamba.
Wait, let's not lose the
Uyayilahla.
plot. Do you think if Pirates in fact you can go on top of the log with their games in hand
Yeah,
and the current form?
definitely.
Buddha, do you think Pirates can go on top of the log?
Ula mthuthu ngiyapho.
Okay, actually, let's
you know why Nyal?
yeah.
It's because the Pirates has been doing the same thing every season.
Which is what is that? Tell us.
Last season, last season, the season before the season
But then,
before.
but then,
Like, the Pirates has always looked like a team that can go
Okay,
on top
the
of the
question
league. But
was-
when it's khulumsindo kunabantu abadala. When it's
Start
ti-
Lopez kweli.
when it's time.
Which is Sundowns currently, by the way.
No, asikhulume Sundowns.
Pirates.
My Pirates nane khala. We all know,
Continue.
we all know Betway Premiership is based on two teams. There's a Zinho
Which
that
two
just
teams?
participate.
Which two teams?
Pirates and
Okay. Oh, okay.
when you talk about uTubani Oshawa Munye, we're talking about these two teams. Ukuthi lo ubani ohleli phezu kwe-league, we don't care.
Okay,
The
wait.
only
Buddha,
teams that
go back to
matter.
your point. You're still telling us why you don't
Yeah.
think Pirates will go on top of the log.
Like,
Why?
they do almost everything right.
Yeah. Why? Like,
But-
what's missing? What happens?
Basithela induku sonke.
No, lapho
Ngizakutshela like
ngizodisagree,
i-overall.
Yeah.
Basithela induku phaphara.
Sure.
Because there was a season la abathela khona even i-Sundowns induku.
Yeah.
What was left was for them ukuthi babe on top of the
Bese
log.
sashaya AmaZulu.
Angazi ukuthi
Yeah.
like
I think
like something.
sashaywa
I
i-team
think ilamaqando wabo lawa the X.
bengekho amaqanda.
Yeah.
Iyastopha ukusipana that thing.
Sure.
Last minute when they are finally there, istopha
Mhm.
ukusipana then babe number 2. Next season, same thing again.
Slow.
Number 3,
Wena-
same thing again. Number 2.
Uzwa ngathi uyaphika mfana disagree. Why?
Arsenal. Okay, ngalento ayishoyo. Ngathi wena the question is, do you think they can go on top of the league?
Yeah.
I say yeah.
Mhm.
But taking the league, I
I was
think is too-
about to say, let's drag it a bit further. Do you think Pirates
No.
can actually go all the way?
Like,
Okay,
going on
it's
top it means taking
Yeah,
the
okay,
lead.
let's just say-
point
Yeah,
yami
all the way.
with Pirates ngalento leyo ukuthi it's always been the same. But
Yeah.
now I think the good thing about Pirates is culture Pirates is back. The way we play.
What is the cult?
Like Pirates we know ekasi sithi ukulanda.
Mhm.
Pirates 90 minutes.
But where
London,
let's
90
go.
minutes.
We're there at Orlando Stadium on Tuesday.
Yeah.
You see Bailey, and we can't say Pirates Bailey. You can say they had no challenge. There's no challenge.
But in thing show you what I'm trying to say, Pirates my bambi ball. We don't care about build up, we don't care none that.
But you
we
do care
take-
about build up.
No, like the point is we take the ball, go front. We don't like lento kade siyenza Rivero. Remember to Rivero was playing like defensive football. You
Yeah,
can say
yeah.
negative football.
Yeah.
Even though it was good, but I started league.
Mhm.
It wasn't good enough for to
Mhm.
start league because we're not playing like Pirates. Pirates ngathini, we play similar football to i-Chiefs. I-Chiefs hasn't lost that thing. Ukuthi we go in siyakulanda. We don't care
Yeah.
ukuthi udlala kanjani siyakulanda.
Yeah.
We used to be like that, but uRivero slowed that thing.
Yeah.
So manje with our new coach, I think we are back at it now. We're going there. That's why
I'm
now
not convinced.
uma ubheke ama goals wethu, we getting higher and higher. Siyakhuphuka ngama goals. So we're taking the league.
Yeah.
Taking the
Anisiyeke
lead.
ngalo John Wikwele.
So with taking the league, we still need time because with the Pirates,
i-time
okay,
yani.
with the Pirates, ngathi Pirates, consistency is always the main thing.
It lacks.
Iyaleka kayi. The
Lacks.
Pirates even past 2 seasons performed well. 2 points behind Sundowns, 3 points behind Sundowns, jiggy, 14 points behind Sundowns.
18 points behind.
How does that thing happen? Like in number 2, even 14 points
Aha.
behind.
Do you know how it happens? Same thing that's happening with Kaizer Chiefs right now. Last time we checked, we were on top of the log.
Then
We draw against Sundowns. It's understandable. It's Sundowns. We lost against Cocoon. Okay, they're on form. They're number 1. Okay, but not like
now then draws.
Yeah, now
Unnecessary draws.
yeah,
draws.
They're gonna start playing draw.
Then-
So
Quick
And then
question.
it always happens.
So do you think it's local players?
No, I
It's
think
level of like I'm a player walana. I feel like players.
Sundowns, like if you check it, Sundowns, they don't have that thing.
yeah.
So
I don't
and
know.
most,
Man.
if you check them, they don't buy
Okay,
local
I think
players.
I know. Yeah, I
They
think I
buy
know.
international
Yeah,
players.
yeah,
like,
yeah. On that one, local
that's the
players
case, but-
on the local players. Okay, we're not saying they shouldn't buy local players. Ne? I think we should have teams that manage local players, like maybe financial advisors. Ganja and that.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm saying that local players play for bread.
Yeah.
I'm talking manje nami on my situation. If a scout comes and takes me,
Yeah.
if I start getting paid 300 and something K,
Yeah,
like I've since Susili Ole Lamekasi, she's living at Waterfall.
yeah.
What's there to? Why am I supposed to prove myself? I've
Yeah.
already made it.
Okay.
So Lanem Zanzi, we're not local players are not playing for records, are not
Mhm.
playing to be big, are just playing to
To survive.
yeah, to survive. They
Yeah.
want money on their backs. They want soft life. After reaching that soft life, they forget to go to okay, I got this first soft life by becoming a top goal scorer.
Yeah.
We don't chase records. That's why we don't have a player that has 200 goals, what goals, most appearances. We
Yeah,
don't have
yeah.
that thing. So we always chasing the bag.
Yeah.
After getting the bag, we say, ah,
That's right. Okay.
saying, "Shadi," we don't have Abo Ronaldo here that will say, I want to be the top goal scorer. Lana is like, who cares?
But-
Drive PM manje sharp.
On your point, is slow of its local players. For me, I think it's all about the food. The reason why Sundowns they don't accept lack of consistency, it's always management. The issue starts
Oh, that's why I
with
said
management.
they should have
No.
proper management. on
I'm talking
training.
about coaches, because if you can look at the Sundowns, there's only one reason why Eli Cohen.
Yeah.
So when he came at Sundowns, what he demanded, you understand? He demanded high levels, high quality, high everything.
Who's that player that went to training with one Cox? That
Yeah,
one net,
yeah,
and then he was
but
like, then they were
yeah.
like, ah.
So
you
when
Ambolandi
Upito got to Sundowns, he demanded high everything. Beyond negotiate. Mangfuni play so phone. Okay,
Yeah.
the standards are like
No,
this.
but do you think it was who pissed or though? 'Cause
Yeah,
remember,
yeah,
remember,
yeah.
it got to a point where like Sundowns was buying almost every player that was
it's technical.
strategy.
It was a
It was
strategy.
strategy.
no, but
Okay.
it was killing players.
Yeah.
It was, but it was also killing the competition.
Yes.
So now
Look at
so
Orlando
now we
Pirates.
kill players to kill the competition
We kill the competition. The main target
by
is to
killing
win
players.
everything.
By
Yeah.
killing players. So
That's
your
what
point.
that's what I'm saying. Our players here are playing for bread.
So
Yeah.
mame,
So
mame,
if mina ngizovanyo buy, okay, I see Mufukeng is doing well with Pirates, then I approach him. Hey dog, I'm gonna give you 2 times what Pirates is giving you. Come here. Mufukeng azwakale, azohlala ebenchini, fault kabani leyo, ubani accept the offer.
Okay.
Didn't you think
Also,
ukuthi, okay, I'm not gonna play there?
to him it was growth.
Imali,
Financial.
financial.
It was
It's always
points.
about the money.
Uh,
Lento
besides that,
yayenza
do you think-
nguMailula.
do you think,
Mailula going to Toronto.
Yeah.
It was a bad thing. Now it was also based on Imali. We're playing for bread. We're not playing for. It's not
The love
based,
of the
yeah,
game, the
it's
love
not
of the game.
based
But
on
do you
football.
think if Utembazon was playing for Chiefs or Pirates, bekangekadlala overseas?
Chiefs based on Tetela ham.
Exactly. So
Pirates being
that's what we want.
The Pirates it becomes greedy. It takes okay. If
But
this person buys,
that-
You
so
don't go
so
overseas
let's our buy.
you don't go overseas without consistency.
Yeah,
Yes, but that's what we want.
that's what
That one
Yes.
season is enough for you to get
No, my man.
the riches or Afuna.
The point that I'm saying is it's all about management. If you can check the Pirates
But-
and Kaizer Chiefs, the amount of coaches, the coaches that we've had previous in the
Yes.
past 10 years, that
Too
we've been
much.
struggling.
Too much.
Besides being too much. None of those coaches demanded like high standards.
Yeah,
You understand?
Yeah.
All of them they could accept minor things. You understand? They could accept. Okay, we throw a game. Upito would never accept such a thing. That's why Equals, I feel like they are afraid to take Upito, because when Pito comes, certain things now are no
Will
longer
change.
acceptable.
it changed.
Yeah, certain things are no longer acceptable. It's no longer acceptable to umuntu come say, I know, I'll forget Lentuan. I Lentuan
Yeah.
try this kid.
Nana lento
We cut those things.
just like how
Ukuthi-
Bruce stopped ukuthi ANC yaza ku locker room.
Yes.
For what?
Just like Hugo Bruce. You see when Hugo Bruce came to Southampton, you can see he came
With the
at
machine.
demand. Yeah, with the
And
machine.
everyone hated him.
Yeah,
Like,
he came with
this
high
guy-
standards.
Yeah,
No, but
it's good.
But he changed the country, boy. He changed the football. Like now, you can
Yeah,
actually go and
positive
watch Bafana
football.
Bafana now.
You can pay to watch it.
Even if party ticket is 200, but you know, okay,
And
okay
then they've-
against this, you'll go.
And
you'll
they've
go.
motivated people to watch younger boys too.
Yeah,
Because
no,
even
besides
some-
younger boys,
Hmm.
it's about the standards of the coaching. So if you can check our standards waka Pito Msiman, right? And check our standards waka Kevin Johnson. check
Okay, fine. Asiye Pirates.
check umlefin
Asiye Pirates.
Yeah.
Ngathi I-take
Yeah,
it
okay, okay. Pirates.
Disrespectful.
Okay.
That's arrogant.
No,
I think-
I'm just trying to
I
make a
think,
point.
I think
I'm just
for,
trying to make
I
a
think
point.
for it is clear to have the consistency
Yes.
and to have more fans want to
Le-
watch it to grow. I think big teams should start behaving like big teams. We shouldn't tolerate. And when Sundowns, it has reached that point where they don't tolerate nonsense.
That's why we do.
Uma kuyinkinga, you go. Tina, Pirates and Chiefs, we just fall and like we trust the process.
No, but
What process if you're not getting anything?
I will disagree with you on that thing. If you're in King, you go.
Kwamele uhambe uma unenkinga. Madrid ayincenye. Barcelona
Okay,
ayincenye.
yes.
Sana,
You're
Dubai.
talking about our team avalue status.
We are
not-
big team.
not
We should
Sundowns.
value the status. You saw
Not Sundowns.
our players try
Not
to play for
Sundowns.
Chiefs. They try to play for Pirates. But Pirates, are we as two big teams in South Africa? Are we acting like we're big? Because we only act, in fact we don't act. Fans are the ones that show which okay, this is a big club. But are the clubs showing that we're big? And I'm like,
Bro, new signings actually.
Le-
We
le-
signed
le-
6-7 players.
what are
None of those players, they're not even playing in the Kaizer Chiefs, Joe. So big teams, we sign you today, you play
Yes, lad.
tomorrow. Sundowns, they signed that.
Santos.
They signed that Santos guy.
change?
Signed
First game.
him yesterday. Next day he's playing.
And then you showed change. First game, like first start.
We don't even see. We don't even know how Chislett plays.
So
We don't even know how Shinga plays.
You played that.
We don't even know.
You gave Silva a chance. Flop. Gave him a chance.
no, but
Flop.
who is at fault on that one?
Yeah, you are a big. Baba, you own. I'm the owner of the team. I see you playing nonsense. Perez won't accept that thing.
Yeah, again.
You see ukuthi okay Mbappe uyabheda ngimthenge ngemali eningi lo muntu udlala udot la ngiyakulanda as a coach baba why are you still fielding this person?
So we are wanting now. You are contradicting yourself.
Nah,
That's why
absolutely.
the issue ukuthi uPito
This
showed
is a
that
big
thing
team.
yokutshela management what to do.
But
What's
Upito
that
Knight
thing?
doesn't
Yeah,
tolerate
understand.
nonsense. If
What's
they
that
at least
thing?
a
So-
bench.
Connect
That's why
dots. Connect
Unabi.
the dots. Connect the
So
dots.
our Trislett nabo Shinga, they were not good for him. Wangabadlalisi. Because they are not good for him.
Yeah.
But
Labo
us
badlalisayo,
as ama-fans,
what
as-
are they doing?
no, it's fine. They are
What are
playing,
they doing?
they are playing
Yeah.
bad. But this one,
Why are you not giving those
it's
ones
better to
abadlala
deal with the
better
devil
chance?
that you know than to deal with the devil that you don't know.
Hayi,
No,
baba, the one
don't
that
deal
you
with the
don't-
devil at all.
Yeah.
Upito refuses.
What do you mean? Don't you
Keeper,
refuse the devil?
Lahla.
Anything now. That's why we're in this
Let's-
situation.
What Mayo did against Amazon. Hey Joe, what did the coaches of Chiefs say? They know more about like they understand it,
Yeah.
like they didn't even dwell. Hey Joe, Upito.
Bazomkhipha.
Bazomkhipha.
Yeah.
Bancenga umsebenzi wabo.
Exactly.
Ah,
But
bazomkhipha.
a higher level coach, a higher level management, kancane.
Akancengi ba.
Because they umsebenzi.
Because that's greed.
Yeah,
man.
it's
That's
just
greed
also-
on another level.
ayisasifani.
That's greed on another
Imorinyo
level.
movement ayisasifani.
Like,
Bafethu,
sesingonani emzansi.
Imorinyo movement ayisasifani.
Iyaspan.
You have
What does one he tried that thing? The only issue is that now obvious Valley is
You have to
growth.
secure the bag, my friend.
Yeah.
I remember Kevin Hunt in this ngale left back ubani uZulu ubani ngale left back besina left back
Philani Zulu, yeah.
Philani Zulu this guy shanye run across enye into ubona Kevin Hunt solo never seen a coach do that mina nje abokhaze lapha kum hey
Bancenga umsebenzi wabo.
things at stake my friend
Bancenga umsebenzi. Now they're at stake.
Yeah, baba, that's the thing.
no
If you're gonna, if in,
That's Nengani.
I'm going back
That's
to
Nengani.
his status.
Yeah.
You applied for Hispani, Kaizer Chiefs, or Pirates.
Yes.
You must know what you have to face. Meaning, Gucci, you must toughen up.
Exactly.
You must. Ngeke uhambe uyosebenza eFidelity and be soft.
Yeah.
You know ukuthi
Sometimes the bench is
baba.
too big.
They're not the right person for the job.
Yes. That one I can agree.
Hence Mpagupito in the picture because he's
Mabaha.
the only guy who can save us from
Mabaha.
this mess.
Why extend the contract? You know what? They should extend the contract because
Because one thing about foreign
They're doing
coaches,
well.
right? We don't know them. Like Unabi, we didn't know Unabi.
yeah.
We can
But
say
Unabi,
he's
he gave
No.
you something yana to
But
believe
my
in.
friend, if PSL, hey, PSL is it's harsh that thing. But let me take us back to we didn't speak about Bafana squad for October games.
Oh,
We passed
yeah,
that.
yeah.
So I'm remembering now. Okay, Hugo Bruce did call up, and it's the same old story.
Yeah, he said he's never gonna leave Mufokeng
It's-
out.
It's the same old
Ubize
story.
uSibelebele as a replacement kaMorena.
Yeah, same old story. My question is, these players, they're called upon based on what? It's because in this
Ngicela ningangifaki kule conversation.
No,
Ngoba
because-
I will look like a hater
no, because
again.
it doesn't make sense.
I will look like a
If-
hater
if,
again.
if Chiefs is performing, he looks at the like the longer season. You understand? Because when Chiefs were in form, he said they don't pay. Now Pirates is in form. He's gonna call all of those guys. That's because they're in form. But when Kaizer Chiefs is in form, doesn't take that into account. Why? Why? Explain that.
I mean, I can say it's based on okay. I think this
So,
guy,
ukukhuluma amanga.
this guy
This is a
Ubheke,
lie.
okay, he can be biased, ne? But
He is.
I think Ubheke ukuthi okay, the Chiefs is just getting on form now.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay,
When
so
it's close,
so
it's
into
always-
ngisho Ubheke,
And
lo
they're
muntu
saying
lo
it's getting on form now.
into ngisho yeah,
You guys just did a turnaround now.
Now,
That's why they're losing 2 games. You did a turnaround now.
okay, we might have new players now, Pikile that just came in on the beginning of the season, the Pirates. What are based on a form Pirates. Pirates has been playing well since last season. The Chiefs isuka ku depression.
That's what I'm saying.
The Chiefs
That's what I'm saying.
iku recession yayo
so-
mfethu. You can't
so-
just come and be like,
That's
okay,
what I'm
So
these
when you
people are
guys
just
win a
coming
league, it's like when you win a trophy.
Nah, you can't manage just because the team went you went and won the FA Cup, now it's good.
No.
And then they come the next season, they do 5 clean sheets.
Yeah.
Then they
That's
lose
bad.
again.
No, I'm asking, that's bad, according to you.
No, it's not bad.
So they're
It's not-
trying. Okay.
But,
So
but
during
when,
that, before
okay,
before
when winning that cup, okay, when winning that tournament, remember a tournament,
So-
it's
the
it's do or
period,
die, young it.
the period between winning the Nedbank Cup, actually from beating Stellenbosch, Sundowns, Pirates, until the
You
first
winner,
5 clean sheets of the
winner,
tournament of the
just
season.
this-
Bona, winner.
After, do you know the Chiefs after winning in Nedbank Cup, they didn't lost a game up until they lost against the Skokoen.
Remember in Nedbank Cup final, idlale towards the end of the season.
Yes.
So,
So that
meaning
means
ukuthi
it was something like 8
The
games.
Chiefs was ngathini work in progress. So iqale
slow.
ukubona ebaba
You
the Chiefs
sound like you sound like someone.
ningangena emlomeni.
You sound like someone who
Listen.
doesn't even know. Like
Listen,
just because Pirates is your support.
listen. The Chiefs has been playing bad. Yadlala tournament. The only place lapha athi good khona was Nedbank Cup. Which goes back to about Chelsea nanani. Would you say Chelsea is good now?
Asingayi ku-Chelsea. Asinga-reference. Asinga-reference
Would you
ku-Chelsea.
say Chelsea is good?
Yes. Asinga
Cole
reference
Palmer
to Chelsea.
gets called up to England regardless.
Okay. Would you now we're talking-
Umegwai should get called up to
Cole
England.
Palmer got top 10
Umegwai is an
Ballon d'Or.
ancestor of
Beka-top 10 ye-Ballon d'Or.
ungangitshela Ballon d'Or, that's nonsense.
So
Umegwai idlozi lelo.
you did not answer the question.
I'm
What I said-
going there.
No,
youngin.
we are not going
Well,
there.
it's-
Explain
it's-
that.
it's England,
We are not
man.
in there. We
It's
said to you,
England.
so how comes if he achieves the winning cup, the cup is not being used as a reference? He achieves my form is not being used as a reference. He achieves my good run of games. That good run of games is not going to be used as a reference. If Pirates winning cup, Fancy Cup.
Mina,
Now 2 games in a row.
the only
2 games in a row.
the only person I can vouch for Chiefs manje. They did ngingathi abakazi babiza umuntu uChiefs. Don't lie.
Roman.
That season babiza towards the end. Babizile uChiefs. ICAF idlali ICAF. There were games uDotley was there.
Yeah, it was there. Yeah.
So you can't say they didn't call.
Yeah, but
and uDotley was playing well with Chiefs, even though Chiefs was
No. Remember, Utotli Sambaya. Utotli was called up because he was being called up la bekadlala khona. Remember, Utotli Samteng.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's like right now.
He came in a good form. That guy saw good. Okay, this guy, even though Chiefs is playing, even though Chiefs is not having results, this guy is playing well. Even Nani Manje, you can't. Okay,
So how
guys were saying Utwele is good, ne?
Mhm.
But now he's not being fielded. Utwele is ungena as a substitute.
Now,
Tell me, okay, tell me a
now,
defensive
now.
midfielder better than Ox.
Yeah. Right in
Where?
his
A defensive midfield.
Nkwe.
box to box slow.
Mm.
Box to box.
But it also
Anchorman
No.
slow. Talk about
Emzansi,
Anchorman.
Emzansi.
Anchorman.
Siponduli.
Izwa.
Siphondo.
Izwa. Izwa.
Baba. Siphondo is good. Siphondo is good.
Izwa.
Siphondo is good.
Actually,
You can't tell me
wait.
he's not good.
What's he
Nduli
called
is
up?
good. He wasn't. Ubize le ntwana yakhe le Obas.
Exactly. Let's talk about.
Sole is back. That's why they didn't call anyone.
Here's another issue that I'm not understanding.
Sole wasn't injured.
Are we gonna call up each and everyone who plays overseas now? That is my
The
question.
thing, who's better than Sole? Who plays?
Mamel. No,
Who will Bruce favors
besides
overseas
Ustole,
players?
mina
Because he believes he has this belief yokuthi overseas has better competition, it improves players.
Playing second division.
That's why he
Playing
keeps on
second
saying
division slow.
that guy. Okay, it's his philosophy.
No, it's not. His philosophy is playing young boys.
No, so that means
okay,
Uchiva Virus
that-
Toli call out.
Chivaviro is not
Soon
playing.
Uchiva Virus Toli call out.
Ushiva Viru udlala ku second league. South Arabia. South teams, big teams e-South Arabia zishaya ngama-teams wase-Egypt. So you telling me ukuthi umuntu odlala ku-second division e-South Arabia can be called up to his squad?
Al Hilal yadwana Real Madrid.
Yeah.
Based on what you just said, second division yase-Africa. Al Hilal yava yadwana Real Madrid.
But you can't call umuntu ku-second division.
Who is in second division?
Yeah, no Chiva.
Okay, it's fine. Ufoster beyadlala ku that time last season beyadlala ba?
If inamasim.
It's low.
Inamasim.
Second division.
But
Second
it's more entertaining than the
Second
Premier League.
division.
It's more.
Stop twisting.
No, it's you can't compare Ilo. That's why I said ukuthi football culture in South Arabia is very weak. You can't
Okay.
compare South Arabia.
Udlala
Udlala Portugal.
Udlala.
Yeah, second division. I know. But it's good.
And Portugal, Mamel, Portugal,
Oui.
even if first league
Yeah,
it's
it's
useless.
I need to know Tito adlala Portugal.
Even if first league, league le yabo Benfica
lost your
is
point, man.
depressed.
But you can't. Okay, manje inkinga nina guys, you moving to Chivaviro.
Yeah.
Hugo Bruce. Indlela understand nga. That's why he keeps on
No.
saying Mzansi should start promoting players to overseas. Based on your coaching level, angaba grand. Kodwa the way akhuluma ngakhona izinto, you can't keep you are
He doesn't
coaching.
have consistency in what he's saying.
Yeah, you are coaching a team in
Doesn't have
Africa.
consistency.
You are coaching a team in Africa, but then you are discrediting Ibola Lase Africa as a national
Yeah.
team coach.
Yeah.
You shouldn't do that.
Yeah.
I think we should start wanting to compete with European teams. How do we do that? We make also European players to come and play here.
Yeah. But that's already being done.
In that way, we get to have big names.
Speaking of European players, Campbell,
He's doing well.
no,
Yeah, I'm Shanghai Champions League.
no, bench. I know Champions League bench throughout since that goal.
Marco to promote.
His probably season in Ghana. And then he played the and Rema did say on that I think second episode
You
I
think-
did say Uchi, even though we scored that winner,
Yeah.
I saw the Belgian fans complaining with that guy played. They played as those boys. Ever since that game, no appearance. If he did, it was for a short amount.
I think
So I got that.
no, you see, that's why it comes
It's
back
okay.
to lento le kade ngisho ukuthi sometimes kwamele nathi kwamele beqala ukurespect ibench. Ilento le nalento le eshiwo ile out angithi le iFoster Mabasa.
Hmm?
I think it's the same thing with okay. Fans they looked at goal Campbell. They were like, it's a good goal,
Yeah.
but what did he give us throughout the game?
Yes.
Yeah. So
It's the same thing Hugo Bruce that must look at when you call
like
that.
you don't look at ukuthi okay le player korile mal korile kanje you play kak the whole game then you play last minute then you're gonna overlook everything like dog.
Another thing with overseas players, there's this boy.
So if that's the case, then ukhona ongamele abesabiza squad.
Ba.
Umfukeng.
Why?
You know, Umfukeng
It's not
is
doing anything.
is
It's not
literally
doing
just
anything.
there.
Nah.
It's not
And
doing
if
anything.
you go to a
Kinga nina no, nina-
slow,
Into kade ngisho
slow, my man. No.
nina I
You know-
defend the player. I
Yes,
don't
no.
defend the team.
Please, Mamelu to Hugo Bruce watching Umfukeng. I know he's been playing bad, but to boost his confidence.
What
Hi.
Wathi
umuntu
u-10.
No, that was
Talking
before.
now.
No.
Umfukeng only had a
before
bad
badlale
season now.
Nigeria and everything. So
He
it was
had
before.
a bad season this season.
Okay,
Umfukeng was
okay,
good.
Bambizelana. But
Put
to
him on.
boost his when
Yeah, to boost his confidence.
Escuda,
His
where did
confidence
you
is
hear?
boosted Now,
What?
his confidence is
Esbuda,
boosted. Look
Esbuda,
at his
him,
past
him,
games.
him,
He's been
him,
playing well as a
0
midfielder.
assist, 0 goals.
He's a midfielder. He's been playing well.
Oh, it's not a
He's
winger
a chance
anymore.
creator, that guy.
Which chance did he create?
Every chance igoli leka amabasi iphume kubani ayiphuma
Uhoto, Baba, Uhoto.
who gave the ball to
Ah,
Do you even have a clip of that? No,
we paused the little clip. Who gave the ball to
we are
Hoto?
grasping at straws, man.
No, Umfukeng
What
is
shall I
a
say
chance
now?
okay,
Slow.
it's like discrediting defensive
Over
midfield.
what?
Okay,
Over what?
slow.
Over what?
Wena, just
Slow.
go.
Over what?
That's the thing.
Umfana simgayikha because umntu ushaya isibani.
Umfukeng
Uyamaka
angashaya
wena.
isibani.
Wenzani?
He's
Wenzani?
doing break passes.
No,
That guy, we have to break
remove
defender.
Umfukeng from that parrot. Akuna different. There is no different. Keep Umfukeng manje.
Yofaba.
Ngafaka umrem for strike ngumabasa. Bedlala umrem edlala wingeni ngara. Faka
Umfukeng
police ngara.
bafaka ezi midfield.
Mamela,
Faka
slow.
police da. Faka
Slow.
police da.
Slow, slow. Do you know? Do you know?
Keep
You
Yes,
know
Umfukeng.
ukuthi amagoli amabhaku
Umfukeng. Umfukeng da.
You guys are
No.
hating on this boy.
Umfukeng da.
Ubheka amagoli ka
Keeper
if
Umfukeng da.
listen
Ufaka uSiphombule nowapolice bedlala ku-2.
listen uSiphombule yaphanja uSiphombule yaphanja listen
Okay, Mamela.
listen
Yeah.
ubheka amagoli ka-apolice ne i-build up play
Mm.
uma ingasukanga from uSiema isuke from uMfukeng iya ku-apolice
What about Libito slow?
uMfukeng
What about
uyacollecta
Libito?
no I'm focusing on Mufukeng.
So which means you are grasping
you
at
guys,
straws. Grasping at straws.
you guys
Yes, no, Mamela.
Mm.
Do you know Leah chance leya uBruce Maete umbiza because ufuna ukuboost confidence yakhe? There was another player la kwi-league eyayidlala to his best, but ayibizwanga just because omunye bafuna ukuboost
Boost
confidence yakhe. So that means ukhila another confidence. Efuna ukuboost another confidence.
leyo ke inkinga ka-Hugo Bruce.
What
Kodwa
about
don't discredit isibani
Wenzani?
player.
CP Span.
Umfukeng is a good player. Uba no better naye. Position yakhe.
Remove Umfukeng, put a police umbule behind.
But they play well together. Umfukeng has been okay for instance he hasn't been delivering. Kodwa for Pirates, Umfukeng has been delivering. Umfukeng is doing an excellent job. Like can't who connect the play?
Ah.
The play.
So we're actually right now.
Who collects amabhola kuNduli?
So which means Loma says counter uChina no. Since uChina kuyoshayela phansi.
Never. Umfukeng has been given a role in midfielder. He's excelling that role.
He is not.
Every time umaye ku-winger is also excelling ku-winger.
Excelling what?
Ungena umbule, Umfukeng moves to a winger.
Excelling what?
Ayenzeni.
Then Apolisi, he does everything that's good
Like what?
for the team.
Like what?
He plays.
Like
he
passing
gives
to Hoto,
something.
then Hoto assist.
That's his play.
Yeah. No.
Do you
No.
think?
So,
Based on his
wait,
play,
wait.
based
Last
on his
season-
play, do you think Uzofaya overseas?
Last season, so
Manje.
Yeah,
we are not
based
saying
on
this
his
thing.
play.
Last season, so we are not saying this thing on Mfukeng. What we said on Mfukeng last season?
Uyalana.
Exactly.
Come on.
Next.
Uyalana.
Akala confidence ukushaya i-1v1. Akalandi umuntu 1v1. Slow. Bohle besitele emva kwepali.
Behlele emva kwepa. Okay,
Umfukeng
one
manje
thing,
chance bekabuyele emuva.
one
He
thing
was
I
going
can say,
back.
one thing I can say ngomfukeng manje. Umfukeng,
Reminds me of Jack Grealish.
Umfukeng,
He's playing like Jack Grealish now. When
Umfukeng,
Man City bought to Jack Grealish.
Umfukeng ne, i-match before le edlulile. Umfukeng was trying everything. Was trying to score. Was passing, breaking my windows. It wasn't
You get
happening
called up
for him.
for trying or for
No, listen. It wasn't.
Hugo
No.
Bruce says, what is the chance?
Hey,
I quote.
Hey,
What is the chance?
No.
Hugo Bruce,
no.
what is the chance?
Point. Hey, my
What
point.
is the chance?
My point.
What is,
Ah,
what
yeah.
is the chance?
Let him cook.
No, akakuki,
Remember,
already eating ukudla kwa
Hey.
akakuki. Hey,
Let him cook.
Yes, 12 chances first half against Amazulu.
listen,
The thing was, what is the chance?
listen.
So when I'm just saying,
listen.
Mfukeng creates
I'm talking. Hey, listen.
What is the secondary pass? What is the pass?
What is the chance? What is the chance?
sivale ne? Before sivale. Bengizoyisho mina. Umfukeng.
What is the chance?
Umfukeng ubonile ukuthi when he tries
What is
to
the
score,
chance?
when he tries to shoot, when he tries to do all those things, it becomes a waste. Then what does he do?
Which simply means
Yes. He's not failing. He failed on that thing. Then he finds an alternative solution. The alternative solutions is if Apollo the ball, Apollo will do the job.
So what is the whole point?
Okay, between the two, Ubani oshaya isibani?
between the two.
U-Apolis naye
Okay.
umfute.
Obvious, Apolis is a goal scorer. He's scoring. He's playing wing.
No. Angisho uthi
Yeah,
uhlulekile umfukeni.
No, you guys,
Umfukeni
you guys,
uhlulekile
you guys,
ukusipana A1.
no, you guys,
Wanikeza omunye umuntu ukuthi ashaye isibani.
you guys are forgetting ukuthi Mfukeng was converted from a winger to a midfield.
No, he was not converted. He's playing there because we are Lisa.
Lisa who?
Just like Arnold. Remember, Arnold was playing. Alexander Arnold was playing right back. They were unfair.
No,
Fetch. Why? They're like, you know what?
At
let's
least
try
we have
something.
new signings.
No.
That's why they prefer Mfukeng over Utito.
Slow.
We have new signings. We have Maremi. We have
Slow.
Maremi, Ulanda, Nolibito that side.
Slow.
Then we have Simelebele. We have Apolis.
If on a slow we are good, doesn't matter who they buy. Doesn't matter. They can
Yeah.
if they
But we don't have a better midfielder. Mfukeng plays it better.
What do you
Sipho doesn't
mean?
last the full
What
game.
do you mean you don't have better midfielders? I'm saying if you can remove Mfukeng right now, udlale mfethu ngoba I won't really
Uzoleka da center.
because the police can do
We
it.
did sike zamkhipha musu.
When?
Apolis plays
When?
iwinger. What do you mean? Because Apolis ungena
Sifaka umbatha.
Umbatha sim-erasile manje uyabona akadlali but the team is doing well.
So
Why bengabench Mfukeng? If Umbatha is that good, why bengabench Mfukeng bafaka
willing-
Umbatha?
he's willing
You
to
guys
buy.
you
reminds me
guys
of
are
Bas-
against Umbatha. Against Mfukeng. No.
Slow. You watch
Sorry,
football,
sorry. You are against Mfukeng. No.
You can't
Mfukeng
spoon-
has
slow.
Mfukeng has a
Don't
better
speak-
impact than Umbatha.
Slow.
You can't
Don't
tell me
spoon
which
feed us.
bench Umbatha. You can't bench Mfukeng and put
Slow.
Umbatha.
You can't don't spoon
Okay.
feed us lies.
Okay.
We see him.
Well,
We see him.
Have you seen Mbatha? Have you seen Mbatha?
Okay.
Have you seen
Between-
Mbatha? What does Mbatha do?
Slow.
No, it's an air combat. It's not.
Mfukeng is an attacking midfielder.
But he's not better than
Please.
Apolis in that position.
Between
Yes.
Apolis is
between
playing as a
Mfukeng
winger.
between Mfukeng noDlamini, who's better?
Mfukeng. That's why Udlamina
So,
I bench
in that
over.
position, slow in that position.
In that position, it's Mfukeng. That's why he's playing there, and Pirates is winning. If
Yes,
he was bad,
Hey,
Pirates
hey,
wouldn't be
okay,
winning.
So, okay, since Mokani,
He has created more chances.
so since the season started, how many assists does your attacking midfielder have?
He doesn't have assists, but
thank
he has
you, thank
chances.
you.
He creates
So,
chances. He has more passes. He does everything to help the team wins.